A humble Microsoft Word watermark says a lot about a document. The most frequently used draft watermark tells everyone that this is an early copy. The confidential mark alludes to something hush-hush. A watermark is just a faint or washed-out text or a picture behind the text. It can be a branding or a warning. How to insert watermark in Word. Launch Microsoft Word. Go to the Design tab. Click on Watermark in the page background group to expand the options under it. Word places the faded watermark on the document just behind your text. The watermark is only visible in the print layout view. How to use a custom watermark. Custom watermarks are of two types. Text watermark, picture watermark. Follow the same steps as above but choose Custom Watermark under the drop-down menu. How to insert a custom text watermark. Custom watermark ideas can include your organization's logo, your name, a copyright symbol, or anything that's relevant to the document. The printed watermark window opens. Choose the text watermark option. The fields are self-explanatory. Type the text you want to use as a watermark into the text box. Configure the options for language, font, size, color, and orientation. Select the semi-transparent box if you want a lighter shade of the text, or deselect it if you want to go darker. Click Apply and OK when you're done. How to insert a picture watermark. You can get really creative with picture watermarks because images used well can say 1,000 words. For instance, with casual documents, you can use a funny image or the number of minutes it will take to read the page. In the printed watermark window, select the picture watermark option and then click on the Select Picture button. You can upload an image file from your desktop, search Bing for an image, or source it from your own Drive folder on the cloud. Click on Insert if you upload an image from your computer. For the other two online options, just click on Apply to use the watermark. You can tweak the appearance of the watermark. The scale is set to automatic by default, but you can use the drop-down to select a specific percentage. The washout option displays a watermark the way it is supposed to be, faded into the page. You can disable this to bring out the actual image, but it can overpower the text on top of it. How to remove a watermark. Go to the Design tab. Click the Watermark button. Select the Remove Watermark option.